engineered to invoke envy with its looks. Suzuki GIXXER SF250 is inspired from European motorcycle design. It flaunts a low-crotched silhouette, boasts of edgy character lines, and a lower center of gravity. Its striking LED headlamp pierces through the night. Beaming LED taillight brings alive the rare design. The crown jewel is the stylish and compact fully digital speedometer that has everything you need on one console. The breathtaking muffler with its end cap design is a piece of art in itself. Brushed finish alloy wheels add grace to the motorcycle, and the fancy hugger covers the rear tire gracefully. Suzuki Easy Start system brings alive the bike in one touch. And now, coming to the most vital part. Presenting the newly developed GIXXER SF250 engine. The world's first oil-cooled motorcycle engine was developed by Suzuki. And through continued development of this quite unique technology, Suzuki channeled all of its technology for creating smaller, lighter engines, as well as the state-of-the-art technologies cultivated through MotoGP to further evolve this engine. State-of-the-art technology is used in Suzuki's pride, the oil cooling system, to achieve a major leap forward. Separate flow lines are used for lubrication and cooling, and the system of cooling by dots is changed to a cooling system covering a wider area. In particular, a new cooling oil flow line is added near the combustion chamber to allow faster cooling over a wide area. Moreover, a boundary layer breaker on the inside and outside of the oil jacket, which is newly adopted, has improved the heat transfer rate. These enable controlling of the engine temperature so that it is maintained at the optimal temperature for combustion efficiency. As a result, it reduces the frequency of thermal expansion of the metal, improving engine durability. Maintenance is easy too, because it requires no cooling water. It also has 4 valves, rarely being an SOHC engine, realizing high revolution and high output similar to a DOHC engine. Compared to a DOHC engine that requires the moving of 2 camshafts, the SOHC engine is simple in structure, lightweight and compact. It has valve, shim-type roller rocker arms, retainers and a piston that have been made using technology derived from MotoGP. State-of-the-art technologies have realized a lighter engine with less friction loss. The overall engine has evolved greatly. Furthermore, printed surface treatment of the piston skirt area has reduced the friction loss in the piston itself. This has contributed to increased output and better fuel efficiency. Cooper grip treatment on the cylinder has improved heat transfer performance, cooling performance and durability. The use of these numerous state-of-the-art technologies has increased the power output and torque of the new engine throughout the entire range of speeds. This ensures stress-free performance from low to mid-range up to high-range speeds, while also achieving low fuel consumption and higher engine durability. Lighter engines with higher output and lower fuel consumption were developed by using the latest oil cooling system combined with MotoGP technology. Installed with the newly developed 250 cubic centimeter oil-cooled SOHC 4-valve engine. It's the birth of the brand new GIXXER SF250. Moving on to the 6-speed gearbox that ensures a smoother ride even at higher speeds. Crafted from a lightweight material, the sturdy chassis enhances riding performance and lays the foundation of the motorcycle's sporty look. Stiffer suspensions lend Suzuki GIXXER SF250 excellent stability and offer the rider a smooth riding experience. Newly developed clip-on handlebars allow the rider to assume a sportier riding position. Compact dual-channel ABS system gives the rider the confidence to tackle every hurdle on the way. Sporty split seats ensure maximum comfort for both the rider and the pillion. Wider tires allow the motorcycle to forge a strong bond with the road. With a range of exciting accessories to choose from, GIXXER SF250 is definitely a head-turner. Get ready to be amazed. Presenting GIXXER SF250.